concept. So we first discuss what is atomic mass. So atomic mass. So we already studied what is atom. Atom is smallest particle of any element or compound which is participate. Means atom is smallest particle of element which participate in chemical reaction. Means one atom is react with another atom to form a compound or product. So this reaction is known as chemical reaction. So scientists study in atomic mass. So first smallest element is hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic number 1. Atomic mass is 1.1. So this element is considered as standard element. And according to this standard element, we have to calculate the atomic mass, but this is very small element and it does not vary in all other larger element. So this concept is cancelled. So next, carbon. Carbon atomic number 6 and carbon atomic mass is 12. So carbon considered as standard element. And we have to find out the atomic mass of any element. So we have first find out relative mass. और ये एटॉमिक मास, रिलेटिव मास, ये कंसेप्ट केमिस्ट्री में मोल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जाने जाते हैं. हाँ, मैंने तुम्हें बोला कि मुझे 1 डजन बनाना लाते हो, तो 1 डजन में कितने बनाना आते हैं? क्वांटिटी 12. और मैंने तुम्हें फिर से बोला कि 5 डजन बनाना है, तो तुम कितने बनाना लाएंगे? 12 5 60. तो ये क्या हो गई? फिक्स क्वांटिटी. लेकिन ये किसने तो स्टैंडर्ड करके रखा है, इसलिए हमें ये पता है कि 1 डजन में 12 क्वांटिटी आती है. और फिर मैंने 5 डजन 6 डजन बना दिया, तो 12 इंटू 5 और 6 कैलकुलेट करने के बाद क्वांटिटी आती है. सो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है A प्लस 2B टू फॉर्म अ प्रोडक्ट. A plus 2B react with each other, that gives a product. But केमिस्ट्री में मोल यहाँ पे यूज होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे 1 मोल ऑफ ए एलिमेंट एंड 2 मोल्स ऑफ बी एलिमेंट. तो ये हमने कहाँ से फाइंड आउट किया? तो किसी एलिमेंट को स्टैंडर्ड एलिमेंट कंसीडर किया, फिर हमें मोल कंसेप्ट डिस्कवर हुआ. सो कार्बन को स्टैंडर्ड एलिमेंट कंसीडर करने के बाद मास स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर टू एक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर दी. So first we have to study the definition. So the present system of atomic mass is based on 12 carbon standard. ये मैंने अभी बोला. और define 12 carbon is assigned a mass exactly to 12 atomic unit, means 1 hydrogen atomic number 1 but mass is 1. So also carbon atomic number 6 and atomic mass approximately double, and 6 atomic number which is equal to proton, and 12 atomic mass. Atomic mass means number of proton and neutron which is present in nucleus of an atom. Means mass of carbon is 12. So according to hydrogen 12 atomic mass unit. So इस यूनिट को हम सिंबल में कंसीडर करते हैं AMU. So and all other element as given relative to this standard. So 1 AMU is equal to mass exactly equal to 1/12 mass of 1 carbon atom. So we have to first find out 1 AMU unit means 1/12 into mass of 1 carbon atom. So 1/12 into 1.992648 into 10 raised to 23 gram. So we have calculate a 1 value means 1 atomic mass unit of carbon which is equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to 24 gram. So we have to find out the 1 atomic mass unit of hydrogen. Atomic mass means mass of 1 mole of atoms. Mass of 1 mole of atom. So carbon atomic mass 12, atomic number 6. So carbon 12, mass exactly 12 atomic mass unit, and 1 atomic mass unit which is defined as mass exactly equal to 1/12 mass of one carbon atom. So we calculate the 1 AMU value is equal to 1.66. 056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So we calculate the mass of hydrogen atom using a mass spectrometer. 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So ये होगा mass of hydrogen atom using mass spectrometer. But mass of hydrogen in atomic mass unit means 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 upon 1 AMU value 1.66 into 10 raised to minus. So AMU value 1.0078 atomic mass unit. And atomic mass unit, this unit is replaced by unified mass. Means AMU is replaced by unified mass, means symbol U. So we take next concept, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass means so mass of one atom which is taken in gram. First, atomic mass means mass of 1 mole of atom. So gram atomic mass means the mass of or the weight of one atom of element which is expressed in gram atomic mass unit. Means mass of 1 mole of atom which is expressed in gram atomic mass unit. So according to this concept, we have to solve a different types of example. So average atomic mass means, for example, हमने last Dalton atomic theory में study किया. It limitation. It does not give idea about isotope and isotope. Isotope means same atomic number. But different mass number. For example, carbon isotope first C6 means 6 atomic number and mass number 12. So isotopes of carbon 13 6. ये हो गए isotopes of carbon. So isotopes of chlorine atomic number 17, atomic mass 35.5 which is approximately equal to 35. But isotopes of chlorine 37 means in natural, in pure, in any natural compound which is not pure. So we have to find out isotopes of different elements. For example, carbon isotope C13 and chlorine isotope C35 and C37. So we have to find out an average mass formula. Average atomic mass means many naturally occurring elements exist as isotope. So we already know isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. So we calculate the formula. Average atomic mass means this concept is related to mathematics. For example, chlorine first atomic mass 35 but chlorine isotopes 37 and relative abundance value 0.751 and 0.521. So formula, average mass which is equal to A1 into x1 plus a2 into x2 plus a3 into x3 and so on an raised into xn upon 100. Using this formula, we have to calculate average atomic mass. So A1, what is A1 and A2? A1 and A2, small a1 and A2 means atomic mass of isotope, and x1 and x2, relative abundance of any element. So we solve the example on the basis of average atomic mass. So example, fluorine has two isotopes of atomic mass unit 34.97 and 36.97. The relative abundance of these isotopes of fluorine 0.755 and 0.245, and find the average atomic mass of fluorine. So given value, first fluorine isotope first consider as 35, A1 value which is equal to 34.97 and A2 which is equal to 36.97, and relative abundance symbol x1 which is equal to 0.755 and x2 which is equal to 0.245. By using average atomic mass, we have to calculate atomic mass of fluorine. So formula, average atomic mass which is equal to A1 plus A1 into x1 plus A2 into x2 upon 100. So A1 means 34.97 into x1 0.755 plus A2 36.97 into x2 0.245 divided by 100. So value of this question 35.46. So average atomic mass of fluorine atom 35.46 AMU is replaced by U means unified mass, and it is approximately equal means large is 6 means greater than 5, so adding 1, so 35.5 unit. So average atomic mass of fluorine 35.5 unified mass. Next example of average atomic mass, neon has 3 isotopes. First neon 20, second neon 21 and third neon 22. So with given data, atomic mass of 3 isotopes. So neon 20 atomic mass 19.9924 unified mass U. Neon 22 20.9914, and last isotope neon 21 atomic mass 20.9940. And natural abundance, relative abundance is also called as naturally abundance. So first isotopes of neon 20 percentage 90.92, neon 22 percentage abundance 8.82, and last neon 21 isotopes 0.26. So we have to find out average atomic mass of neon. Average atomic mass of neon. So given value. So first item formula, average atomic mass. So A1 value which is equal to 19.9924 into natural abundance of this neon 20 isotope 90.92% plus second A2 value 20.9914 into percentage abundance X2 8.82% plus third isotopes of neon atomic mass A3 value 20.9940 into relative abundance of natural abundance X3 value 0.26% divided by 1000. So calculate average atomic mass of neon. So first 19.992 into 90.92% value 1817.49. These two value is 1817.49 plus another isotope value 193.96 and third isotope's value 20.99 into 0.26 5.4574 upon 1000. So answer of average atomic mass is 20.1707 unified mass. So average atomic mass of neon 20.1707. So next example, lithium has two isotopes, lithium 6 and lithium 7. Given atomic mass 6.015 unified mass and lithium 7 atomic mass 7.0160. So A1 which is equal to this value and A2 which is equal to this value. And percentage abundance means natural abundance of relative abundance. So X1 which is equal to 8.24 and X2 which is equal to 91.76. So formula of average atomic mass. First, lithium 7 atomic mass Li6 into percentage abundance of Li6. Li6 atomic mass into percentage abundance of Li6. Next, Li7 atomic mass into percentage abundance Li6 atomic mass into percentage abundance of Li6. Next, Li7 atomic mass into percentage abundance of 6 isotope atomic mass into percentage atom of lithium 6 plus lithium 7 atomic mass into percentage atom of lithium upon 100. So A1 into X1 plus A2 into X2 divided by 100. So given value, put up this equation. First 6.0151 into percentage abundance 8.24 plus second isotope's value 7.016 into percentage abundance 91.76 divided by 100. So calculating this value, we get answer 693.35 divided by 100. So answer of this average atomic mass of lithium is 6.934 unified mass. So average atomic mass of lithium is 6.93 unified mass. So you solve in homework exercise question on basis of average atomic mass of example.